Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how you can quickly form a correct sentence in English, even if you're just starting out. So, let's begin with the simplest formula that will always help you. Subject plus verb plus object. Let me explain that. The subject is who or what the sentence is about. The verb is the action or state. The object is the thing or person receiving the action. Let's take a simple example. I eat apples. I is the subject, that's me. Eat is the verb, that's what I'm doing. Apples is the object, that's what I'm eating. See how quick that was? Let's try another. She reads books. They play cricket. Remember, subject plus verb plus object. Now what if you want to add when or where? You can just extend your sentence. I eat apples in the morning. She reads books at night. They play cricket in the park. Here's a tip to make a sentence quickly if you're unsure. Ask yourself 3 questions. Who is doing the action? That's your subject. What are they doing? That's your verb. What or whom are they doing it to? That's your object. Let's practice together. I'll say a few subjects and verbs. You try to make the sentence in your mind. He. Cook. Yes. He cooks. We. Watch. TV. Correct. We watch TV. They. Play. Football. Great. They play football. Sometimes you don't need an object. That's okay too. Birds fly. It rains. What about negative sentences? Super easy. Just add don't or doesn't before the verb. I don't eat apples. She doesn't like tea. And for questions, just move the helping verb to the start. Do you eat apples? Does she like tea? So, next time you're stuck, just follow this structure. Subject plus verb plus object plus place or time. For negative, add don't or doesn't for questions. Start with do or does. Quick examples. I drink coffee in the evening. He doesn't play tennis. Do they speak English? That's it. With this simple trick, you can form sentences in seconds. Keep practicing, and soon making sentences will feel easy and natural. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you next time for more English tips.